I sat down by the ocean.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Agnes Lina Gianto. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. And welcome back to my Bali journey.
Longing for you, longing for you.
I'm in Kuta right now. I'm staying at Kuta Seaview Boutique Resort for the weekend, and Kuta Beach is just in front of the hotel. Wow, I didn't expect that the resort is gonna be this green and lush. I don't feel like I'm in Kuta right now. I feel like I'm in Ubud. Hello guys, ready for some room tour video? Oh my god, this room is just wow. This is like a penthouse thing, the only room at this floor. This is the kitchen area with real stove, toaster, and they have wines. Here is the mini bar, and they have water dispenser. They have microwave also, fridge. This is the big fridge. And here is the living area. Wow, so spacious. I can like just dance here. And this is a big sofa facing to the ocean. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the view from my seat. Let's go check the bedroom. Wow, this is the Royal Ocean Suite. The bed. They have another TV here. This is a big wardrobe here. You got bathrobes, irons, safety box, Bali bags. You can use it when you were in the resort. Let's check the bathroom, guys. Wow! It has like big chair, like powder room style. His and hers, shower, toilet, and big pot-up with a view. This is my favorite part of this room. It's the view. Hey guys, it's Saturday night at Rosso Vivo, and tonight they have Hawaiian night with the hula hula girl. Hey guys! So tonight we're gonna party here at Rosso Vivo. They have a great dinner with the whole Suckling pig. So I'm gonna check the food too, and they have DJ too. I start with Negroni for aperitivo, and I'll order the food, the Balinese Suckling pig, because it looks delicious. And when you are in Bali, you have to eat Balinese Suckling pig. So the Balinese Suckling pig that I talking about is the Balinese babi guling. So you will see a lot of sign wherever you go on the street. It's like babi guling, babi guling. It's so many different shops selling babi guling, and that is the Balinese Suckling pig. Let's check the food. Hello chef. So what is tonight's special?
We have special today.
Okay, this is the Balinese Suckling pig.
Yes,
Okay.
but with the combined with the Hawaiian sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'd like to have some later for dinner. Hey, the food. Thank you. So this is the babi guling, the Balinese Suckling pig. But this is so special. I don't think you can find it anywhere because it's a fusion style of Balinese Suckling pig. They usually put rice and the Balinese lawar, the traditional vegetables thing. But here they put mashed potato and grilled vegetables. So it's really something special that you cannot find anywhere but at Rosso Vivo. Wow. Oh wow guys, this Suckling pig skin is so crispy. I'm gonna just bite it. So crispy. Good morning! I'm having breakfast at the room's balcony today. Everything looks so pretty and delicious, right? Morning breakfast with a sea view from the top floor. What a view to enjoy the morning. As soon as I finish breakfast, I'll go to the swimming pool for a swim and chilling by the poolside.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard.
Halo guys, so aku mau jalan-jalan dulu ke area sekitar hotelnya. Ada apaan? Terus ini tuh hotelnya enak banget, di pinggir jalan langsung. Seberang udah Kuta Beach, udah pantai Kuta. Ini udah restoran hotelnya kan. Kayak bener-bener di pinggiran jalan banget. Seru banget. And ini aku mau ke Beachwalk. Mau lihat ada apaan, mau cari-cari barang dikit. Kalau ada barang bagus aku mau shopping topi sih ya. Soalnya kayak panas banget dan aku nggak bawa topi. Ini tinggal jalan kaki doang. Udah ke Beachwalk. Enak banget sih, lokasinya tuh bener-bener enak. Lokasinya tuh bener-bener pas di pinggir jalan Kuta. So ini Beachwalk mallnya lengkap sih ya, kayak mau cari apa aja ada. Makanan Indo banyak banget di food courtnya, ada eat and eat gitu. Terus lainnya kayak ada Johnny Rocket, ada Tony Romas. Terus apa lagi ya? Shoppingnya sih H&M, Zara gitu-gitu, Pull and Bear. Ada Candylicious yang suka permen. Aku cuma jalan-jalan aja sih di sini, cuma lihat-lihat ama beli sandal. Mau beli sandal jepit. Terus sekarang aku mau jalan balik ke hotel, mau lunch. Soalnya aku pikir restoran hotel lebih enak sih. Soalnya kayak di sini tuh di Beachwalk tuh cuman kayak makanan-makanan yang franchise fast food. Jadi aku mau makan di hotel aja di Rosso Vivo. Soalnya enak banget Italian foodnya. Recommend. So what I like about this hotel is just the location. It's like right in the city center in Kuta, busy area of Kuta. But once you walk into the room area, it's just quiet like this, and it feels like Ubud. It's like so peaceful here, so quiet, so you don't feel like, you know, it's not like some busy Kuta area. You know, you don't like that on holiday, right? Okay guys, I'm so full right now. I need to walk a little bit, so I'm going to the beach. It's just in front, so let's go. Yeah, I need to move and burn some calories. Let's cross the street and we're at the beach. It's the beach, guys! Finally! When I was here during the sunset time, this beach, this Kuta Beach is like so packed. It's like so many people. It's nice to be here at noontime because not so many people, you know, so I can sit and have a little me time, listening to my music, and, you know, get a little tan maybe. Yeah. Nice, right? And when in Bali, I love these Balinese offerings. They are everywhere. In the street, in the houses. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Oh, it's very hot now. And I saw one couple from the hotel. Yeah, they stay at the same hotel. I saw them yesterday too at the morning breakfast. It's nice. This is how I enjoy my time at the beach. I'll sit down for like 30 minutes, an hour, listening to the waves and, you know, watching people walking by. So guys, this is why Kuta Beach is so popular. The waves, I'm having dinner at Rosso Vivo now. It has been open since a long time ago. I know it since I was very young. I would come here with my parents. This remains my favorite place for lunch and dinner whenever I'm at Kuta Beach. For starter, I ordered a seafood bee soup. This is one of my favorite dish here. It's a seafood pasta. It's called linguine marimonti. I also ordered Wagyu tenderloin with pepper sauce. Guys, this is their seafood beef with lobster. Wow. This Wagyu tenderloin is perfectly cooked. This is Wagyu tenderloin. No complaint. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish my dinner now. The food here is really amazing. The morning is here and today I'm checking out. It has been a really nice day in Kuta. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao!